Good morning, students. Now, in the last lectures, we studied what is potentiometer. We understood the principle of potentiometer. Now, there is a small lecture, theory lecture. In the first theory lecture, we have to study the state, or we have to study advantages of potentiometer over voltmeter. What is the use of potentiometer? That we have to study. Potentiometer is used to measure what? Potential difference. But what is the use of voltmeter? Voltmeter is also used to measure the potential difference. So what is the difference actually? What is the advantage of potentiometer? The voltmeter is used to measure the terminal potential difference of a cell, while potentiometer is used to measure very small terminal potential difference. But if the value is very small, using potentiometer we can measure easily. At the same time, we can measure EMF of a cell. What is the battery? The voltage of the battery we can measure, but voltmeter is not able to measure the EMF of a cell. That is the first advantage of potentiometer over voltmeter. The second advantage is what? Accuracy of the potentiometer is what? Very perfect. We can say we can increase by increasing the length of the wire. That is the advantage of the potentiometer. But in the voltmeter, we can't increase the accuracy. Once voltmeter is designed, then design means what? Whatever the accuracy, we can't increase. But in potentiometer, we can increase the accuracy. Third one, the small potential difference can be measured accurately with the help of potentiometer. The resistance of voltmeter is high, but not infinity to work as an ideal voltmeter. Ideal voltmeter is that voltmeter we can measure what? In which we can measure small voltage. So in voltmeter, accuracy is very less to measure what? Small potential difference. The fourth one is what? The internal resistance of a cell can be measured with the help of potentiometer. Students, using potentiometer we can find potential difference, we can find EMF of a cell, as well as we can find internal resistance of a cell also. Every cell has its own resistance. Voltmeter is only used to find potential difference. It's the first theory question you have to remember. But some disadvantages of potentiometer are also there. Voltmeter is unable to find out the small value of the potential difference, but can find the maximum value of the potential difference. Students, you have seen the voltmeter in the lab, but potentiometer on the paper, we observe the potentiometer consists of 4 wires and EMF, plug key and rheostat, and whole thing is what? Installed mounted on a wooden box. Voltmeter is a small device which is portable. What is the first disadvantage of potentiometer is what? Voltmeter is portable, but potentiometer is not portable and compact. It's a bulky one. Second disadvantage is what? Voltmeter can be used to measure very high value of terminal potential difference, but potentiometer cannot be used for higher values of potential difference. It measures only small value. Third one, voltmeter gives direct reading on the scale. We can say observe, we know that there is a pointer on the voltmeter, but potentiometer, to find out any potential difference reading, voltage reading, we have to do some experiment. It doesn't give the direct reading. These are the disadvantages of potentiometer. Then third theory question you have to study, that is distinguish between potentiometer and voltmeter. Now you understood from last two questions the voltmeter and the potentiometer difference. So let us recall some points. First point is of the potentiometer, its resistance is infinite. Voltmeter, its resistance is high, but some finite value will be there. It has high sensitivity, it has low sensitivity. Third point, it measures EMF as well as potential difference. For potentiometer, it measures only potential difference, students, as I told you. It is more accurate for smaller value. It is less accurate. It doesn't give direct reading. It gives direct reading. It is used to measure internal resistance of a cell. It cannot be used to measure the internal resistance of a cell. It is portable. It is not portable for potentiometer. It is portable for voltmeter. Thank you very much.